What up, everyone? So right now we're going to talk about some TronBanker. I was told about this one from somebody in my Discord, I believe. I posted about either way. I posted this on my Discord the other day. I jumped in. I went in kind of small. I think I did 500 Tron just to test it out. It's a pretty neat concept. So depending upon how much you deposit is your ROI per day. So that's the first thing you gotta know. I did 500 on this one. So I'm at 3.8% per day. Perfectly fine for me. I'm good with that. We'll open the contract in just a minute. It's been running for 2 days, 11 hours, 40 minutes, and 20 seconds. I know. Crazy with those numbers, right? So I can withdraw 16 coins right now. My total investment's 503. I have withdrawn 540. My referrals is 525. Basically, the way this works is, like, you could put in how much you're going to deposit, and it'll tell you how much you'll earn in 100 days. Each contract is 100 days long, so if you deposit, those will only run 100 days. 20% of your withdrawal is auto reinvested back up here into your investment. So watch. So what? 16. So basically 3 coins, and I'm at 503.9. So we'll go ahead and do it through withdraw, confirm. Actually, it says 0. So yeah, it goes to my investment. So I still slowly start building up, and it'll keep building up as I withdraw more and more. That'll help me get to the higher bracket up here to get to the 4.8%. Your referral rewards don't count towards the 20% that gets auto reinvested. So you don't have to worry about that if you're going to refer people. Let's take a look at the contract. It currently has almost 340,000 coins in it. Let's check out the TRX balance. It has been growing. So I don't think a lot of people have talked about this one yet. So really I kind of expect it to take off. Most of the YouTubers like myself like to try it a day or two, make sure it's actually going to work before we start telling other people about it. We like to promote good things. So you can actually look through the contract here. Check it out if you would like. You can also do the read contracts, tariffs, referral bonuses, match bonuses, withdrawn, invested, and how many players. Go to write contract is just deposit and withdraw. I like this function. That makes it more difficult for them to scam out that they've only had two different things, deposit and withdraw. So I mean, there's still ways for them to do it, but chances are less likely. So I've been in this one for, actually, you know what we could do? Hang on, let me find out for sure. Two days now. So I've been testing this one for 2 days. I've done 3 withdrawals from my actual withdrawable, and then my 1 referral paid out. So, and like I said, I only shared this on my Discord. If I think it's good straight from when I first sign up, I'll post a link to my Discord and have other people test it with me if they would like. So, and then I normally try to post a video. But yeah, this one seems pretty good. Again, I didn't go very big. Like I said, I only went 500 in. So that's what, well, 1,000 is 28 bucks, so $14 I went in. So you got to keep in mind, what are you willing to lose to test stuff out? I'm willing to lose $14 to try this out. So just whatever you're willing to lose, if you're even willing to. I know some people don't want to lose anything, but that is one of the reasons I do these, is because I'm okay with losing. I'm okay with making a crap ton for my money, but I'm also okay with losing too. So I can show you right now, just on my TRX accounts, I'm down about 500 bucks. So I track all of this stuff, so I want to know where I'm at all the time on all of them. So I'm okay being down 500 bucks, because we'll get the bank of Trons that just kill it for me. So I'm willing to lose some on a bunch of them to find the one winner that destroys everybody else. So it makes up all my money plus some. So yep, TronBanker, we're giving it a try. If it keeps working out the way it is, I'll probably up how much I'm actually in here and go from there. Y'all have a great day. Make sure you subscribe if you're not. And if you're feeling really spunky, you can share some of my videos with your friends. Alright? Or get them to sign up after you sign up using my referral link. Just using my referral link just helps me boost a little bit more, and then I can jump into more programs and test them out for y'all. Alright? If y'all have any questions, hit me up, let me know. Other than that, y'all have an amazing day.